Alright. Take one. Hello and welcome to Technologically Challenged. This is a channel where we unbox products, review them, and most importantly, keep up to date with all the latest news that has anything and everything to do with tech. So this is a channel where we will essentially bring in many creative professionals who use pro products every day in their daily life. We will put everything to the test, go through different stress tests just to see if all the products live up to their pro name. Well, I think I'm going to end this video over here because I don't want it to be too long. So if you like this video, remember to press the thumbs up button, remember to subscribe, also press the bell icon so that you can get notifications every single time we upload a new video. Also, if you really liked it, remember to share it with your friends and families, and if you really want to be super awesome to us, remember to check out our Patreon page because there's many different tiers and we'll love every single one of those. Well, you're a star for watching the end of this video. I hope you liked it, and remember to keep an eye out for our upcoming videos. Cheers!